Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, type for View Advanced. So the moment you have typed that, the best match, which is a control panel called View Advanced System Settings, will appear. Just have to click on Open to proceed. The moment you've click on it, this small window called System Properties will appear. Here you need to proceed on Advanced, and it has this three options. You need to go with Performance, and under to that there is an option called Settings. Just have to click on it so that you would be able to see the Performance options window. Now here you need to click this Adjust for best performance. Just have to click this to enabled, and here you need to proceed on show thumbnails instead of the icons. Just have to mark this box checked and proceed on checking the smooth edges of the screen fonts. Okay, just have to click this as well, smooth edges of screen fonts, and then just have to click on apply and then okay. Okay. So once you're done, you need to proceed on the second option, which is called advanced. And there you have that you'd be able to see an option called virtual memory. Just have to click on changed. The moment you've click on it, there you have that you would be able to see this new window, which is called virtual memory. Now here, these options, you can see it here, are grayed out. Now in order to modify this, in order to fix this grayed out options, just have to click this so that you would be able to modify or set or make a change here. Just have to go with custom size, okay, and set the initial size into 1029. Again, it is 1029, and set the maximum size. Before setting this, you need to check your information in your PC about how much RAM do you have. How you can do that, at the bottom search bar, please type for about your PC, or you can simply type about your, and the best match which contains the system settings called about your PC will appear. Just have to click on open. And the moment you have the click on it, there you have that you'd be able to see the information of your device. There you need to proceed on installed ROM. In my case, I have the 4 GB. Just have to go with this. Okay. So just have to use or see the amount of how much RAM do you have in your computer. Then once you have the known it or once you have the seen it, just have to close this window. Okay. Now here you need to multiply the initial size into the amount of RAM do you have. So since I have a 4 GB of RAM, so I'll be inputting the maximum size into 4096. Since when I multiply the 1029 to 4, the product would be 4096. So I'm going to go with this. Okay. Again, you need to multiply the initial size, which is 1029, to the RAM that you have. In my case, I have the 4 GB RAM. So I am multiplying the 1029 to 4. So the product would be 4096. That's why I set it here 4096 under the maximum size. Then you need to click on set. The moment you've click on it, your computer will ask you to confirm your action. Just have to go with yes, and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, there you go, your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.